At this juncture, let me introduce our Troop Information Education speaker. She is a proud member of a Bureau of Fire Protection who has been faithfully serving the organization since 2006. She is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education from Mindanao University of Science and Technology in Cagayan de Oro City. Throughout her years in service, she has continuously enhanced her professional competence by completing various specialized training, including the Fire Arson Investigation and Inspection course and the Fire Senior Leadership course, equipping her the knowledge and expertise essential in the fire prevention, investigation, and leadership. With nearly 2 decades of experience in public safety and fire service, she remains committed in educating communities and strengthening fire safety awareness through programs. She is currently designated as a Substation Commander, Station 4B, in the Hague Fire Substation, and also the Officer in Charge, Administrative Division Section, Station 4, Nazareth Fire Station, CAFB. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our Troop Information Education speaker, Senior Fire Officer 3, Rizel May Gulak Alvaro. A round of applause, please.
To our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Clevern El Salvania, sir, commissioned officers, non-commissioned officers, fellow firefighters, good morning. Now, let me tell you a little bit of backstory about this, about my speech. This has been delivered 20 years ago. So meaning 20 years old na niya siyang speech. And I have kept this waiting for the perfect time. Finish out, this speech was rendered because we were tasked to install, group together para mag-sponsor sa Ultimale in celebration of Fire Prevention Month and as well as the Women's Month. So, who would have thought na I'd be able to reach 20 years, and who would have thought that I'd deliver this again after 20 years with the same settings but different venue. So today, we will talk about total commitment. What is total commitment? I believe that when a leader takes care of people, they in turn will deliver the impeccable service demanded by clients who will reward the organization with bountiful gains necessary to secure the future. It is not what you have done, but the total commitment attached to it that will spell the difference. Most professionals have become career-driven and career-minded. Everything is calculated to get someday to that elusive place called the top. Many of them go through life learning almost completely on their own understanding and ability. They take control and in charge of their destiny and lay out their lives the way they want to be, most of the time unmindful of others. Two people may follow the same career path, and both may end up at the top. Yet one may be living solely for his career and self-interest, while the other sees his life as a divine mission from God, and thus performs his job with total commitment according to God's will and purpose. Mother Teresa of Calcutta demonstrated what total commitment is all about. She has captivated the hearts of millions of people throughout the world because of her tireless dedication to the poor and the destitute. She portrayed the beauty and power of self-giving. She abandoned her life to God in order to know the joy that comes from giving oneself to Him and saying yes to whatever He asks. Mother Teresa in her book talked about serving. Love of God must give rise to a total service. The more disgusting the work is, the greater must love be, as it takes succor to the Lord disguised in the rags of the poor. She emphasized that if the poor die of hunger, it is not because God does not care for them. Rather, It is because neither you nor I are generous enough. We do not recognize Christ when once again He appears under the appearance of suffering, in the hungry man, the lonely, in the child who is looking for a place where he can get warm. Mother Teresa enjoined everyone to love, to give until it hurts, until it bleeds. When disappointment arises, you ask yourself, how can I continue? Amidst the needs, frustrations, temptations you are facing, can you successfully endure many challenges by keeping your hearts set in your commitment to serve and give your best shot in everything you do? When difficult situations pose a threat on your security, family, career, life, and future, to a point where your faith will be stretched beyond you could bear, will you remain focused to what you believe and want to accomplish? The answer lies within us. Good morning.